Most retirees accidentally build their entire retirement in one tax bucket, and that mistake can cost thousands in taxes later. However, affluent families usually build three tax buckets. One bucket is taxable assets, such as brokerage accounts and savings. Another bucket is tax deferred accounts, such as your 401k. The third bucket is tax advantage assets, such as Roth accounts and certain insurance based strategies. You see, when retirement comes, you can have control over where the income comes from, and that flexibility can help reduce lifetime taxes. Inside the Total Human Security Wealth Framework, this strategy is called tax diversification. You see, smart wealth isn't just grown, it's structured. Follow us for more Total Human Security Wealth strategies.